ਸੈਕਰਡ ਹਾਰਟ ਕਨਵੈਂਟ ਸਕੂਲ ਬਿਆਸ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬਿਸ਼ਪ ਸਿੰਫੋਰੀਅਨ ਕਿਪਰਥ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ 20 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬਿਆਸ ਇਲਾਕੇ ਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਚੇਰੀ ਵਿੱਦਿਆ ਪ੍ਰਦਾਨ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਮਕਸਦ ਨਾਲ ਸਥਾਪਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਫਾਦਰ ਲਾਰੈਂਸ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਸੁਚੱਜੀ ਰਹਿਨੁਮਾਈ ਹੇਠ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਰੋਜ਼ਲੀ ਜੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਮੂਹ ਸਟਾਫ ਦੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਸਦਕਾ ਦਿਨ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਦਿਨ ਬੁਲੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਛੂ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੀ ਹਰ ਆਧੁਨਿਕ ਸਹੂਲਤ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹੈ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਲੈਬ, ਸਾਇੰਸ ਲੈਬ, ਖੇਲ ਦੇ ਮੈਦਾਨ, ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਰੂਮ, ਸਾਫ਼ ਸੁਥਰੇ ਕਲਾਸਰੂਮ, ਦੂਰੋਂ ਨੇੜੋਂ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਲਈ ਟਰਾਂਸਪੋਰਟ, CCTV ਕੈਮਰੇ, ਜਿਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਕਿਹਾ।
Myself Puneet Kaur of 9th class belongs to prestigious Sacred Heart Convent School Beas. Would like to introduce various activities undertook by our schools. Sports day and annual functions infills our mind with new confidence, while science exhibition and along with educational trips to various places like Science City helped us to learn new things but in a fun way. While moving towards inter-school competitions and co-curricular activities hosted by our schools like debate, extempore, speech and rangoli and flower making competition tries to bring out our hidden talents. While moving towards various Olympiads and Vedic math classes tries to bring out blooming buds of our school and encourages us and make the school a best school in this area.
Myself from Neet Kaur from class 9 belongs to a prestigious institution, Sacred Heart Convent School. I'd like to introduce various facilities provided by our school. Firstly, the basic infrastructure of our school is modernly equipped with all the basic necessities needed for the young learners to grow. Our classrooms are equipped with smart boards to impart knowledge among the students in an interesting way. Our school has a big playground along with separate basketball, badminton and volleyball courts. Our school has a big library which is accessible to the students anytime. Along with the library, our school has physics, chemistry, biology and computer lab. Our school has held many seminars. Our school has had many seminars to impart social values among the students. One of my favorite seminars was Importance of Girl Child and Safe Girl Child.
A very warm greeting to everyone. Today I, Himanshu from class 9th Lily, the head boy of our prestigious institution, that is the Sacred Heart Convent School Beas, is going to list down some points on our management. Starting off with our director, Reverend Father Lawrence. He is a man with strong viewpoint. He has always been supportive and cooperative of the co-curricular activities in our school. Being the head of the family, he has always set up the name and fame of our school and achieved great heights in the school. He has always been kind and compassionate towards teachers, staff and students of our school. Next up, our principal, Reverend Sister Rosalie. She is also a very kind and compassionate woman. She knows how to deal with staff and students. She knows how to act wisely and how to perform well in every field. She has been successful in maintaining the discipline of our school and achieving great merits in our school. Next up, our teachers. They are best in their field. They know how to teach, they know how to love, they know how to understand the students. And this is what makes the teachers of our school best. And they are best in every field what they teach and what they make us learn. They always make us learn things which are in the syllabus and out of the syllabus too. Our students have never failed to amaze us. They have always brought up 100% result and have always brought many achievements to our schools. And naming the achievements, what it be in the field of entertainment, sports, singing and many other. They have always set up the name and fame of our school.
ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ-ਨਾਲ ਹੋਰ ਗਤੀਵਿਧੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਜੋੜਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਰਬਪੱਖੀ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ, ਜਿਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸਿਸਟਰ ਰੋਸਲੀ ਅਤੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਫਾਦਰ ਲਾਰੈਂਸ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਕਿਹਾ।
We provide mainly education, discipline, then we have got extracurricular activities, specialized computer lab, smart board, software system. We have instituted child protection policy and PCC committee for the instant help for the students. Our students participate in international competitions and they go for curricular and extracurricular activities we have got from the ICSE board and sports meets conducted for all over the ICSE board schools. They participate in that, and many of the times in district level and the regional level they score more of the trophies, and when they go to national level they gain few but not all. पेरेंट्स के साथ हमें हमेशा कांटेक्ट रहने के लिए हमारे पास सॉफ्टवेयर है, मैसेजिंग सिस्टम है. वी गिव एवरी इंफॉर्मेशन टू द पेरेंट्स regarding the absentees list, homework and all other things, and I go to visit the classes, I interact with my students and teachers, and I see that things go well. I will try my best with the management to do the better for this locality and for the students, those who are coming to us.
Holy be your name, your kingdom comes, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. O God, you are truth, of presence, of all knowledge. Bless our studies, which we concentrate to you, enlighten our minds, strengthen our memories, and direct our wills towards what is right. Grant us to seek truth always, and make us fully wise.
Children's Day is very important in the life of a child, as child is a lovely creation of God. His lovely smile gives soothing feeling to everyone. So, on this special day of Children's, I extend my warm welcome to Reverend Father Lawrence, the director of the school, who will be a head of the family.
Very, very happy Children's Day. Reverend Sister Rosalie, our principal, Sister Jodis, our vice principal, Sister Grace, the junior wing in charge, Sister Francisca, the disciplinarian, dear teachers, and you, my dear children. Today, we, the family of Sacred Heart Convent School, Beas, is pleased to celebrate the nation's celebration of Children's Day.
I am Father Lawrence, Director of Sacred Heart Convent School, Beas. This is established by our former late Bishop Symphorian Keeper, Bishop of Jalandhar Diocese. Now he is no more. We remember his great contribution to the state of Punjab and especially our Beas Tahsil Sacred Heart Convent School. That, as you know, this is a religious institution, especially it is Christian Catholic, where we not only in Punjab, all over the world, taken as a mission to educate children of rich and poor equally. Those who listen to me, I would like to tell you that we not only concentrate on education, but we also equally educate the children in moral life. That is more important. And according to the Christian teaching, we educate them to be good citizens of India and especially this area of Beas. We not only concentrate on classroom studies or the EduSmart systems, but we also physically make them fit by sports activities of all type, especially karate, yoga and other athletics games. That is always good for the children. That is what we are meant for. We are religious people and I am one of the religious leader of this area in the Christian faith, and Sister Principal also is a religious person and other members as well. We have 4 religious sisters who is serving in this school and me, and our main aim is to motivate the teachers to concentrate on the moral activities and as well as the educational part. For that we have lot of activities like EduSmart, KYC to make parents aware about the standard of the students, and so many 4 labs like chemistry, computer lab, physics lab and biology as well. This is a religious institution. Surely this question is being asked by so many people, but when they see from outside they feel that this is so expensive and it is not our reach. But when they come to know, they come and experience our services, they will know that this is one of the cheapest and the best school possible. And we always look and feel the importance of parent standard as well, and whatever way we can give, we give them like concessions and moral supports to educate both boys and girls. Surely I thank the people of Beas, because the moment this we established around 20 years ago, and from that till today the people of Beas being so good to us, so cooperative, and they will never allow any problem to come to our school, and they always stand like a rock to protect our school. So we are thankful to the people and parents and benefactors of the local area Beas.
ਜ਼ਿਕਰਯੋਗ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਦਿਨੀ ਸਾਲਾਨਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦਾ ਆਯੋਜਨ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਵੱਧ ਚੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਿਆ। ਸਾਲਾਨਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਡਮ ਖੁਸ਼ਮੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਮੁੱਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਵਜੋਂ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਹੋਏ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੀਮਤੀ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਵੀ ਵਧਾਇਆ।
I hope you got enough hints about the next act. Wait for it. We are going the world wild now with our next dance performance. Dance of Love and Robes.
my speech by thanking Father Lawrence and Sister Rosalie MJ and all the faculty, Principal Ma'am, and all the faculty and parents who are present here for such a warm welcome. And the feeling of so much respect and love is that I can't express in words right now. And I wish to congratulate the whole Sacred Heart Convent School Public School family for organizing such a great event. And to the faculty too, who have been putting so hard, probably for the last 15-20 days, to create such beautiful performances. And I am really short of words, means I have no words how to describe the creativity of these children who have performed with so much creativity, so much confidence and so much brilliance.
ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਅਤੇ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਗਤੀਵਿਧੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੱਲਾਂ ਮਾਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਨਮਾਨ ਚਿੰਨ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ।
ਅੱਜ ਸੇਕਰਡ ਹਾਰਟ ਕਨਵੈਂਟ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਏਰੀਏ ਦਾ ਰਈਏ ਦਾ ਕਲਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਨ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਵੈਰੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਸਕੂਲਸ ਆ। ਅੱਜ ਉੱਥੇ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਚੀਫ ਗੈਸਟ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਆਉਣ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਸਰ ਫਾਦਰ ਲਾਰੈਂਸ, ਸਿਸਟਰ ਰੋਜ਼ਲੀ ਐਮਜੇ, ਜੂਨੀਅਰ ਵਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿਸਟਰ ਅਤੇ ਹਰਜੀਤ ਸਰ ਅਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਦਾ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ। ਅੱਜ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਪਰਫੋਰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ 'ਤੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਉਹ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੀ। ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਵੈਰੀ ਗਲੈਡ ਟੂ ਸੀ ਆਲ ਦ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕ ਦੈਟ ਦ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਹੈਵ ਪੁੱਟ ਔਨ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ। ਐਂਡ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਸਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਨਟੇਨ ਕਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੱਥ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕ ਕੀਤੀ ਆ ਡਿਸਿਪਲਿਨ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਨਟੇਨ ਕਰਨ 'ਚ, ਬੀ ਇਟ ਦ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਦ ਰੈਪੂਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਸਕੂਲ। ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਥੈਂਕਫੁਲ ਸਰ ਫॉर ਇਨਵਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਮੀ ਹਰ। ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਰੋਜ਼ਾਨਾ ਦੀ ਰੂਟੀਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਜ਼ਾਨਾ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਟੈਕਸਟ ਬੁੱਕਸ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਬੋਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਅਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਲਚਰਲ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਆ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਦੇ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਆ ਇਹ ਹੋਣੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਰੂਟੀਨ ਲਾਈਫ ਤੋਂ ਹਟ ਕੇ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਇਨਰ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਨਰ ਸਟਰੈਂਥਸ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲੈਟਫਾਰਮ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਵਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਟੈਲੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਹਰ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੂੰ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਨੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ।
17th, 24th and December 22. It is only to make the students participate more, because now the tendency of the parents are that they want their children to perform not only in studies but extracurricular activities like dance, like drama, pangada, gidda as well. That is why we organize annual functions. Earlier it was only one annual function. There we could give only maximum 200 students to participate. This time we could able to give chances to more than 1200 students because we have divided the KG junior section and senior section and the middle section. So we have divided and made into 3 annual functions.